InboxDollars requires you to hit the minimum cash-out threshold before you can withdraw, and once you do, you can choose between gift cards, prepaid cards, or direct-style payout options, depending on your account. That choice affects how fast you actually get paid. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to cash out on InboxDollars, which method is usually fastest, and what mistakes slow people down. First, open the InboxDollars app or website and log into your account. Your current balance shows at the top of the dashboard. If your balance is below the cash-out minimum, you need to keep earning before the redeem button unlocks. Once it's available, go to the Payments or Rewards section. That's where InboxDollars lists all active payout options. The most common option is gift cards. You'll usually see brands like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Pick the card you want, choose the amount if multiple options are available, and confirm. Gift cards are often the easiest because they usually process faster than physical rewards. The second option is prepaid Visa cards. This works better if you want flexible spending instead of store credit. The process is almost the same. Choose the Visa reward, confirm the amount, and submit the redemption. Some users may also get PayPal or bank-linked options depending on region and account setup. If you see those, connect your account first before cashing out. That extra setup can save time later. Here's what matters next: verification. InboxDollars may ask you to confirm your identity or verify your email before processing. If you skip this, your payment can sit pending. Go into account settings, make sure your email is verified, and double-check your name matches your payout method. Now for timing. Digital rewards usually process faster than physical rewards. If speed matters, pick an e-gift card or PayPal if available. Physical prepaid cards can take longer because they need shipping. One thing a lot of users miss is checking the status page. After redeeming, go back into the rewards section and look for pending, approved, or sent. That tells you where your cash out is. Quick recap: hit the minimum balance, choose your payout method, complete verification, and track the redemption status. If you want the fastest payout, stick with digital options first. Your next step is simple. Open your InboxDollars account and check if your balance is ready to redeem. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more payout app guides.